Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix your iPhone is stuck on emergency SOS screen like this and you don't know how to fix this, then you're at the right place. So you might be wondering why you're getting this. You're not able to do anything. Usually when you slide to power off, it used to happen, but even the screen is unresponsive and you completely feel like what to do. This is what you have to do. The only one solution that's going to help you guys out is all about you have to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So to do so, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and you have to keep press the power button over there unless not you see the Apple logo. And the very important thing is you have to do all these things very fast, like an instant of time. You should not be doing that very slow. Make sure that you do it all in an instant of time. So what you need to just press the volume up followed by the volume down, press and hold the power button there unless until you see the Apple logo. So let me show you that. So what you need to do is you have to press the volume up followed by volume down. Keep pressing the power button over here. Just keep pressing the power button over here. You have to release only the finger from the power button when you see the Apple logo. Just release it. And now the phone is getting restarted over here like this. Just wait the phone to get completely load up. Now what you need to do is you have to use your passcode and just get into the phone, and right now as you can see the issue will be completely fixed. This is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.